This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Audible on Alexa. First, make sure your Audible account is registered under the same email address you use for Amazon. This seamless linking is the foundation for all your listening enjoyment. Then, open your Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet and navigate to the settings. From there, confirm your Audible account is successfully connected under the Music and Podcasts section. This essential step ensures Alexa can access your entire library. Once your accounts are linked, playing your books is incredibly simple. To start listening, just say, "Alexa, read my Audible book," and she will pick up right where you last left off. If you need a break, a quick Alexa pause will halt the audio, and Alexa resume will start it back up again. You can also easily jump forward or backward in your story by saying, "Alexa, next chapter," or "Alexa, previous chapter." It's wonderfully convenient. For an even more tailored experience, Alexa offers several advanced listening features. You can set a sleep timer by saying, "Alexa, stop in 30 minutes," which is perfect for winding down. If you prefer a different pace, simply ask Alexa to read faster or read slower, and she will adjust the narration speed for you. You can also dive into another book by saying, "Alexa, play the book title," and she will switch seamlessly. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup, but don't worry, there are easy solutions. Always ensure your Alexa device has the latest software updates installed, as this resolves many common issues. If a specific book isn't playing, try refreshing the connection by unlinking and then relinking your Audible account within the Alexa app. Also, remember that your listening progress automatically syncs across all your devices, allowing for a truly flexible experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.